Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix account not available on Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and the Volkswagen Touareg. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So basically guys, if you have this problem, you can try to use one of these solutions is by restoring your system. If you want to do that, just go to your navigation screen right here. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look like this. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your apps here, and make sure that you are in the home section firstly by clicking on the menu button, and then here look for settings, give it a click. And then once you're here in the settings, you need to scroll down until you find factory settings right here. Give it a click, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to restore to factory settings. If you want to restore to factory settings, just click on this button, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find this confirmation message saying, do you really want to reset all settings? If you're sure about it, click on reset, and then try this fix and your problem might be fixed. It's just all of your data will be deleted, so keep that in mind before restoring your system. Thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.